Yeah, where's your... Tapos na si Sak. Good morning, guys. Ang sakit ng katawan ko. And yung boys, paalis na sila. And tapusin ko tong ini-edit ko. Malapit na to. Baba, come here. Oy, show your breakfast. What's your breakfast? Peanut butter. Say good morning. Did you say good morning?
Good morning.
No, I didn't see you. Come here.
Good morning.
Good morning. Mag-edit muna ako. Malamig ngayon. Ibang klase yung summer namin ngayon. As in, malamig, maulan, and minsan, sobrang init naman. Ayan, naka-jacket sila. And so, dyan naka-jacket din. Nandun siya. Mamaya, gagawin namin yung meat na in-order niya. 8:18. Si Holly, tingnan niyo. Nanonood siya. What's this, Baba? I'll see you, Kuya. Oh, love you. What's up? Honey, I got here. How much? $1? What you gonna get? Huh? Ano? Kuhan siya ng See you, Techie. Oh, sorry. Natamaan si Kuya ng tripod. See you.
Can I have a $2?
$2 what? $2. No, wala ka. Anong bibilhin mo na? What you gonna buy? Humingi na sila ng ng pera. Aside sa baon nila. What you gonna buy? Lollies? Sometimes ice cream? Yeah, ice cream. Lemonade ice cream. Sige, pagpatuloy ko na itong ini-edit ko. Na-upload ko na yung kanina ko pa natapos yung aking vlog. And naka-public na siya. Ngayon, ang gagawin namin ni Jan is yung yung nakabihis na ako kasi mamaya alis kami ni Holly. Mayroon siya, ang aking outfit is pang workout ulit. Kasi hindi ko alam kung mag-workout ako. Ang sakit ng katawan ko, guys. And mamaya may hip-hop dance si Holly. So, yun ang gagawin namin ay yung mga in-order ni Jan na meat. Ayan, ang dami. Ayan. So, hihiwain namin yan. Si Jan maghihiwa actually. Tingnan nyo si Jan. Meron siya. Wow. Akala ko, lalagyan ng mga documents. Yeah, don't touch, Baba. Don't touch. Si Holly mamaya pa ito magbibihis. Para ka mag-o-opera ha. So, ayan ang kanyang mga gamit sa kanyang, para siyang butcher, guys. May sarili siyang mga knives. So, lala, mga bago pa yan. Diyos ko, which one you gonna use, honey? Hindi niya rin alam. That's for the fish.
Oh, what's this bag?
Oh, nakakatakot, guys, kasi ang siya sharp. Be careful, hon. Seryoso niya. Seryoso niya. Tulog na ako nung dumating siya kasi di ba sabi ko sa inyo maaga ako matulog. Baba, get dressed na, Baba. Your clothes.
Why?
Because later we're gonna go. Where we're gonna go today?
Hopping.
Huh?
Hopping.
Anong hoppings? Hip-hop. Hindi, ano
I
kami?
don't do that now.
Later. Meron pang, ano to? Parang yung sa atin, yung taisan. Pero meron din ito.
Don't touch that.
Okay. Okay, don't touch it. You don't touch it. Oh, careful, honey. Oh, nangingilo ako, hon. No. Ba't mo itinatais? Sharp pa naman yan, hon.
Huh?
It's so sharp. Is that what you're gonna use?
Oh, we use this one.
Oh, Diyos ko po. First.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Baba, go get your clothes now.
Okay.
Siya na yung pipili ng kanyang damit. So, assistant niya lang ako ngayon. How many kilos altogether, huh? A lot?
Mom.
Ah,
Sausages are meant to be good.
daming sausages.
Yeah, all those come in handy.
Mom, what
We'll
am
take some
I
to
wearing?
Renmark.
Mom,
Ah,
what am I wearing?
anything you want, baby.
My clothes?
Mm-mm.
Punk.
Hoy! Punk. Tinawag niya. Oh, di ba? Natisod ka. Di dyan. Tinawag ni Holing Punk. I also have this one. Put one here.
Nah,
So that,
just
you
on
know?
a water farm.
Okay, you're sure? Dami tayo ditong ano. Okay? So, ito yung freezer bags. Do you think this is enough? I don't think so. This is enough on me. Kuha siya ng ano ulit. Ang sakit ng eto ko guys dito. Ang sakit kasi. Eto talagang gusto kong lumiit yung braso ko. Ah, nangihilo ako, ha? Etong gusto ko kasi dito may ganyan. May excess tayong fat dyan.
Right here. Hold
Okay.
on.
Yeah.
I'll give you the size. You put in the how many? 7.
7. Yeah, okay. I'll change it later. So, okay. You can have that for now.
Is that clean?
Yes, it's clean. Is your hands clean? Ah, oo. Ooh, sharp. 7. Ito yung itsura niya, guys. Oh. Parang pareho lang yung size niya nung sa dati kong kinukunan. So, 7. And you know what? Wait, excuse me, baby. I get a clean wrap. I just wrap it and then put in the freezer by 7. That's what I did before. So, because I think you don't have enough bags for your steaks and
Oh, we're just going to go get some.
no, I can use this
Oh,
one.
no.
Yes, because I've been using that hand. Okay, I know what I'm doing. Dito ko na lang ilalagay sa cling wrap yung... No, Baba, be careful there because Daddy has a knife. Okay? Careful.
But I just put it in there.
No, you don't touch this, Baba. Only Mommy and
I
Daddy.
just put it in there.
No.
In here. I don't touch it.
Gusto niya talaga, involved din siya. Here, ano. Put it in. Ano, 7.
For later.
So, ikat muna namin yung sausage, guys. And this is separate.
Leave it, Bob, leave it.
Leave it, Baba.
I just put this thing like that.
What? No, Baba, no.
Don't need to, Bob. Just want to sit them on top.
That's right. So, ganito ba? Para hindi maubos yung freezer bag. Kasi marami siyang steaks. Ayan. Tapos ilalagay ko siya dito. Okay na.
I'm gonna put it in there.
Baby, no na baby.
Go wash your hands, Bob, and then you can pick them up.
Okay. Wash your hands.
This
So,
side.
hugasan na lang ni Holly yung ano niya. Kamay para tumulong din siya. Kasi hindi rin siya titigil. Ito yung pangalawa. O, ganyan.
I can't wash it on the side.
Okay, come on.
Now I can do it. Hot dog.
This is not hot dog. This is sausage.
Now I can
Okay.
do it. Okay?
Okay, put that 3 here. So, ayan, kasama na siya. Okay, that's enough for now. No, Mommy will do this, baby.
You just put them in there, Bob.
Just put the sausage here. No.
Why, Bob? Why?
Wait, baby, wait. You wait for mommy. Okay, put it there.
Honey, I'm down, down, down. But tell me if you are.
Most of this.
Tapos na namin
Give out.
i-separate yung mga sausages.
Give out this now.
Tigsi 7, pero mayroong isa na 10 kasi hindi na siya 7. So, marami to. Yung next is, ito yung ikakat ni John. What kind of steak is that, honey?
4 house.
Ito siya na magkakat. Ayan. Ang laman, ang taba, ang laman. Baba, careful. So, how you gonna, how
I'm
thick?
gonna fall here.
Oh, shh.
Oh, we go that way. Or that way.
That way, hon. So, it's longer.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Ang dami nating sausages. Ito, mayroon pa dito. Magdadala raw kami sa Renmark. Careful, baby. Careful. It's thirsty. Put the... It's thirsty, baby. Where's your cup?
What is it?
Where
It's
did
in
you...
the fridge.
Ah, it's in the fridge.
Yeah, I should make it.
Ah, to make it cold. You know what? Your hair, Baba. Can you... Don't. Hugasin mo na nga ako ng kamay. Where's your ponytail, Holly? Because you can't see. Don't do rub your thing because you just touched the...
Mom, ow.
Don't say ow, ow.
Just go like that.
What happened to that?
You do it. You do it. You're the one doing that.
Ayaw niya nagpapatali siya.
No.
Ito siya, guys. Oh. Sariwang sariwa. Sarap.
Is that steak?
Yeah, that's steak.
I want steak.
I think this is all fat here, honey. So you might go here.
Go that way.
Yeah. Because this is fat.
We could probably take.
No, because I like a bit fat, honey. So yun na. Alis yung baba.
Go this way.
Yeah. Ito yun, guys. Ano, what do you need?
Where's the
Plates?
scales?
Wow! What the... No, it's not working that one. Gusto niyo pa wow, ang tulis talaga.
About that.
Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna put it here as well, and then put it in the It's too thick. Ooh.
I'm trying to that one.
Wow.
Mm.
Baba. Dito ka kailangan.
That'd be right.
Ayan siya, guys.
I found that steak now.
Ayan. Oh my God. Etong sarap nito. Baby, excuse me.
Very yum.
So, yeah.
I want that.
Yeah. Bagay natin ito
I
ng
want to put
maayo.
it in there.
Huh?
I want to put it in
Well,
there.
how?
Wait, no, right here. No.
One here. I want to put it in there. I want to put it in
So,
there.
ayan. Tapos, ilalagay ko siya sa...
I want to put it in there.
Dito. Sa ziplock.
What are those?
Haba talaga, oh.
You're faster, Mom.
I am fast. Because daddy.
I am faster warning.
You are. Now.
Ayan, 7 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And eto, si Holly, sa kanya raw itong maliit. So, madami siya.
That's mine.
Yeah, this is yours, Papa. Ito raw sa kanya. Ito yung steak niya. 7.5.
Are we finished now?
No, not yet, Baba. We still have more.
They have more. Mom, there's a
Oh, don't. Hinuhugasan niya, tapos ginagano niya ba yung ano yung... Yes, baby. Meron ako dito Dettol na wipes. Okay, alright. Pero hindi pa kami tapos. Nag-ano lang si Jen, sinasharp niya lang yung ano. Cheeky girl. Cheeky girl. Ilagay ko ito sa ano pa ba ito? Okay, what's next? Yes. Pardon, Holly. Please, what's that, hon?
Porterhouse.
Again?
Yeah. Then you got then the rump.
Rump. Another one,
And
John.
then this is the prime scotch.
Yes. Another porterhouse, guys. So,
This one
ayun.
here, we'll just cut this way.
I don't want thick, honey, huh?
Yeah. Well, they're not thick,
Yeah.
they're perfect.
Yeah.
Could have something, chew.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Yeah. God,
I am
Dami.
helping Daddy, Mom.
Give me this hand. Cut that one so I can put it inside. Like, once it's
Well,
on.
you can see they're porterhouses. You're going to see the difference. The rump's bigger, porterhouses are that, and then
Alright.
this is the one you want to mark because that's the scotch. You can see porterhouses.
Okay. Very careful with that.
Dad, look. Mom, look. Look.
Oh.
It looks like big. Looks like blood. Looks like blood.
I know that
So, ito yung isa na meron 7.5.
Mom,
Kasi kay Holly yung maliit.
I
Yes, baby.
smell that. So I smell like the... Mom!
What?
The apple.
The what?
The apple
Baba,
is
careful, huh?
screaming.
Wait lang, honey. I'm just gonna... Ayan.
You are no. Let's not make it.
Okay, that's enough.
You said
So,
yes.
tapos na yung pangalawang porterhouse steak. Yung next is... Ano yung next, honey? Nangingilu yung ipin ko.
We'll do the rump.
Rump? Oh, next is rump. Let me show it to them. Oh, there's a bit blood, hon. You have to...
Blood.
Ito, oh.
That's
Rump.
a blood.
Ayan, ang laki niya, guys, oh. Rump. Honey, put it down because I think the blood will drip. Put it here, inside down.
Then you cut it. What's that?
Huh?
What?
Careful, Papa.
Look.
This picture.
Look.
That's blood.
Look.
Oh, tingnan niyo din.
So bloody blood.
Show me, Han. Front.
So bloody.
Paano raw namin yan ikakat? Ayan siya,
They're
guys.
going to be pretty big
Rump.
rumps.
So big.
Ayan siya.
Mom, don't touch it.
I'm not touching it, Baba. I'm just showing it to the people. Ayan, fresh na fresh. Ano siya, guys? Premium,
Mom.
free-range beef.
Mom, took it.
Huh?
Took that.
Yeah, I'll cook this baby.
And that cut it.
That way.
Huh? Yeah, but not too thick, honey, huh? Okay. Pinag-iisipan niya.
So bloody.
Pinag-iisipan niya kung paano niya ikakat.
Don't touch it. Don't
Cut it there
touch
first.
You know what, Han? Can you pat dry first, Han?
Why?
The blood.
That's fine.
You don't want?
I might just cut it and just do.
But
If I cut it there,
Ayan.
stop bloody. The touch.
I'll go that way.
Okay. Kinat niya lang. Yep.
Make her that way.
Yeah, really big. Ang ramp kasi talaga malaki.
About there.
Yeah. Do you think is that the right knife? Ang dami mo kasing knives. Wow. Oh, it's so thick, honey.
That'll be right.
Ang kapal.
It's just that one because it.
Ayan yung wrap,
Hard.
guys. Oh.
And I
Manipis
just-
dito
I
pero
am
makapal yung
folding
dito.
up.
Ito lang naman
That'll be right.
You
Yeah.
think so?
I am folding up.
Okay, yes, baby.
It's a bit big though, that one.
Yeah, I know.
It's only because of the bottom. See how when you cut it, it pushes down, so you
Yeah,
gotta try
it's
to
very thick.
just
very
have to make sure you
Yeah.
shoot.
I-ano ko pa to, babalutin ko pa to
I do this.
sa ganitong, di ba tapos ko na siyang balutin.
Twist it.
I'll twist it, baba. Pero mamaya, babalutin ko siya pag ano naman para ma-sealed talaga siya kasi i-stock namin to sa freezer eh. Yeah, that's perfect, honey. That's a good one. Eto dapat ganito, oh. Di ba manipis na siya dyan. Yung first lang naman yung makapal. Yan. Para tayo ditong ano nagtitinda ng karne. Oh, see?
Totally don't do that, Mom. You do that. No, not bloody.
Don't touch mommy's clothes.
No, there's no bloody, see?
No, Okay? Yeah, okay. Okay na siya. Oh, galing ni Johnny Boy. Wait, baby. Ito naman kasi siya. Oh, siya kasi nagro-roll. Okay. Okay?
That's bloody.
Oh, it's not bloody, Papa.
You are now. Let's not make it hard.
Mahirap ikat pag yung konti na lang yung nahawakan mo. Ayun na. Okay. Buti na lang maganda yung mga knives.
Mama,
niya
I'm
dito.
thirsty.
Again. Lagi siyang, oh, here's your water, Papa.
Thank you.
Welcome. So, ayan yung... Lumabas muna si Jan, and ako, ang ginagawa ko is, dinodoble ko yung pag-wrap nito. Kasi dito ba sa dulo, kunti lang yung, yung nasisealed. So, ang ginagawa ko ay, babalutin ko ulit siya, pero pahaba naman, para ma-sealed talaga yung magkabilang dulo. Kasi, stock namin to sa freezer, para, siya, pag linuto, fresh na fresh pa rin siya. Kahit, medyo, magiging matagal to sa freezer, guys, kasi, marami to. Pero yung freezer naman namin doon sa my shed is pang, alam niyo yung parang pang commercial na talagang maganda yung lamig. Ganda yung lamig. So, ayan. Eto ba, oh. Balutin natin siya ng maigi para maging fresh pa rin siya. Kahit frozen siya. Tama ba? Ang dami nito, mama. Ipakita ko sa inyo. So, balutin ko lang to.
But tell me if you are now. Let's not make it hard.
Okay, Han, I'm done. Andito na si Jan. Hinintay niya lang ako matapos balutin to. So, ito na yung next, yung, what's this, honey? Oy, ang bigat. Ito na yung the best. What's this? Scotch? Yeah? Scotch, guys. Ayan, oh. Ang lucky na. Station Scotch. Oh, where's the bag, honey? Ang dami talagang steak. Si Holland doon na siya, oh. Nanonood na siya ng ballerina. Yan yung itsura niya, guys. Oh. Scotch. What's this? What's that? Paper? Oh no, plastic. Akala ko wax paper. Toink. Tignan niyo yung laman. Tapos may pot sa gitna. Balot na balot talaga siya. Oo, ito na. Magpipizza kami. Oh, honey, the blood. So, ayan. Prime.
Put these ones in the
What? Ziploc?
freezer bags.
Why?
Because we know these are the prime ones. Just put them in freezer bags. You don't only need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 freezer bags.
Oh, so,
5 freezer bags for.
okay, special yung ano guys, yung scotch. Sa freezer bago raw.
So probably one of those about 300 grams.
300 grams. Sa freezer bago raw, ilagay to. So, special yung ating scotch. So, huwag natin itong gamitin. Where is it? Ito. Ito one. So, gusto niya dito ilagay. Huh?
What are you
Lucky.
putting in there?
Oh, this is for my...
Another put
I told you, just put this
2
one.
in there.
Ah, okay.
We're
Dalawa.
cooking at a time too, won't it?
Yeah, one for you, one for me. How about the kids? Chicken nuggets. Sausages. Sausages daw sa mga bata habang kami nakascotch. Kawawa yung boys. Lagay mo yan dyan. Dalawa.
But tell me if you are.
Ayan, tapos na kayo mag-cut. Siya pala. Tapos na ako magbalot. Look at this. Ayan guys, ang dami. Ito lang ito dito. Ay. Balutin ko rin ng doble itong sausages. Kasi yung dulo nga po, hindi ko masyadong mag-twist kasi konti lang yung nahawakan ko. So, doblehin ko rin ito.
You are. Now. Let's not make it hard.
Tapos ko na silang i-seal talagang maayos. Yung isa naman dito ang ingay. Ito siya. And si Jan, ayan. Inaayos niya na yung kanyang pang-opera. Yeah? Parang mga documents ang dala niya. Oh.
Look at what I'm doing now.
So, ayan na guys yung aming kakainin for how many months? Yeah, tingnan nyo, ang dami talaga. Itong porterhouse, ang dami. Ito isang ganito. Ito yung rump steaks. And ito yung special. Premium na scotch. Yeah. And meron tayo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, see? Yeah. Porterhouse, rump.
And sausages, say, the big long ones, and then they're
Yeah, oo. Ma-identify niya naman. Alam niya naman eh. So, ilagay ko sila sa Ziploc.
Anything that we want, it's okay, cause this is love. I don't care if you kiss me.
fries out of the big one.
Yeah, alis na siya, oh. So, ilagay ko na sila sa ziplock. And sabi ni Jan, hindi ko na kailangan lagyan ng pangalan kasi ma-identify niya naman daw. So, okay. Pero eto talaga, alam ko to kasi nasa ano siya, freezer bags. Ano siya eh, scotch.
You are now. Let's not make it hard. I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up lately 'cause you feel so. I know that you're feeling so.
Tapos na namin ilagay sa ziplock and kumuha ko ng bagong IKEA ziplock kasi yung Coles parang weak niya. So eto, mas maganda yung IKEA na ziplock guys na pang freezer. So ayan. Lalagay niya yan dun sa malaking freezer. Okay. Lagay na namin to ang ayan yung malaking freezer namin dito sa shed. Meron akong mga Filipino stocks na mga saba. So, ayan. Tapos, mga buto-buto ng baboy.
Where's the sausages?
There, honey. And mayroon akong mga ulo ng isda. Meron akong mga, ulo ng isda. Buto ng isda. Tapos, yung hipon. Scotch.
We'll just let them spread them out for now until I close.
Yeah. Put it together, the scotch and the rum.
It's rum.
That's rum. Put it here, Hannah. And one more. Scotch. Here, honey. Here. Ah, okay. So, ayan. Tapos may mga dried fish din ako dyan, guys. So, okay na yan. Close it. It's done. Hindi ko alam kung mag-exercise ako. Do you think? Sabi ni Jan, mag-exercise daw ako kasi sabi ko, ayaw mag-exercise kasi masakit ng mga katawang asin dito. Pero sabi niya, kailangan ko raw gawin kahit masakit para maalis yung sakit. So, mag-exercise tayo. Ha? So, eto na yung aking lunch. Binigay ko yung unang kong ginawa kasi ayaw ni Holly ng mainit. So, ayan yung kay Holly. So, eto na yung lunch namin. Alam niyo ba, ang breakfast niya kanina is nag-cereal siya tapos nag-peanut butter sandwich. So, tapos ngayon, eto na yung lunch niya. Healthy rin yung lunch ni Holly.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby. Ito na yung lunch namin ni Holly. Binigay ko yung unang ginawa ko kasi si Holly ayaw niya ng mainit. So, naglagay ako ng mango. Tapos, ito yung nabili ko sa Coles, yung trail mix. And meron din na tropical trail mix. Ayan. So, yan ang tinapings and mango. And eto kanina, akala ko hindi na siya kakain kasi kumain siya kanina ng
Please.
Coco Pops and peanut butter sandwich. And eto na yung lunch niya. You're welcome. Gustong-gusto niya yung porridge kasi kahapon din kumain din siya dun sa kinakain kong porridge kahit kumakain siya ng kanin. Good? So, kain muna kami, guys. So, eto na yung lunch namin. Mauubos na ni Holly. Ayaw ni Jan ng peanuts. What's that? Yeah, peanuts. Trinay niya. Si Holly matapos niya. Nanonood ako kay Anna Carl.
I like peanuts.
Yeah, I know. Pakadura. You spit this out and Holly eat it. Yeah. Kinain niya yung ng daddy niya. Ingit siya, magko-coco pop siya. Kaya, malaking coco pops laging binibili ko na. Kasi, mahilig siya dyan, si Jan. So, yan sa kanya. Yan yung lunch niya. Hi, boys! Dito na yung... Dito na sila. No, I'm going now.
Where are you going?
I'm taking Holly to the dance. And you're gonna follow me later. You and daddy. Because we're going to the golf shop.
Spend the minutes?
Yeah, you can spend it now.
Oh my God!
So, susunod sila. Alis na kami ni Holly. Sayo nila. Kasi yung, naalala nyo, yung family nung Christmas. Oops! Ang regalo sa kanila is, gift card. So, pupunta sila dun sa golf shop.
Now, let's not matter